Hello guys, you're welcome again to another wonderful video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to build a logistic or a consignment website, okay, just like what you are seeing on the screen. All right, if you look at this very well, you see that all the pages have been optimized. All right, all the pages you are seeing here, they have been optimized, they have been set up for you. You can look at all the pages, you can look at how well they are designed. Okay, you can see all of this. Come down, trusted global logistic partner. All right, you can see that. Okay, global network, advanced security. You see that all the pages have been optimized. All right, moving ahead, if you come to the services page, you can as well see the same thing here. You can see the pages. All right, you can see this. You can see the services. All right, you can see all of that here. You can see all the pages. The content too have also been optimized. You can see the about us. Okay, you can see the about us here. Still show you the same thing. All right, then come down to where we have the contact us page. You can as well see that too, also been optimized. Okay, you can reach out to us, put your phone number and what have you, everything is set. Okay, so from here you can see where it says track shipment. So go ahead and click on track shipment. All right, so put the tracking number here. All right, put the tracking number, then I click on track. All right, click on track. It's going to load up for me. Okay, good. So you can see that the tracking has been done. Then you can see the details. You can see the shipment details departed. That's the status. All right, it has been departed. Then it's active. Then you can see, all right, you can see the package detail, sender information, receiver information, package details. All right, okay. Then you can see the route information. Then you can see the barcode. Then you can as well see the live map. All right, you can see the live map here. Then from here, if you want to also print, if you want to create a new shipment, you can do that. If you want to contact support, you can do that. If you want to print receipt, you can as well do that. Click on print receipt here. All right, you can go ahead, you can print receipt. This is the receipt here. All right, you can print receipt here. So this is the receipt. You can just go ahead and click on print and you are good to go. So this is how this particular website works. Okay, so moving ahead, let me show you the admin side. Right, here is the admin side here. Okay, you can click on add tracking. You can click on settings, account, sorry, you can click on settings. All right, if you click on settings now, for example, you can see the settings here. All right, so you can see the settings here. You can put the site name, the site title, the site URL. You can do that. You can also add the logo of the site here, the office address, the office phone number. Sorry, there's a mix up here. The office address here, the office phone number. Then you can come here, put your shipping logistic. That's the preface. What I mean, the preface. Then the allow invoice printing. All right, show on map and the rest of them. Then you can set up your email here. All right, you can set up your email, you can set up your SMTP and the rest of them so that you can be receiving emails. So that is how this part, that's the settings. Then if you come to the account here, you can also see you can see the admin information, which you can also edit and put your own there. Then this is the dashboard. I think everything is set perfectly well here. All right, so now that I've showed you this, let me show you how you can design this particular website for yourself or for your client. All right, okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So let me show you the step-by-step process of how you can do that for yourself or for your client. All right, but before we do that, if you are coming across our channel for the first time, here's our YouTube channel. All right, so all you need to do is to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button here. All right, if you have not done so, hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell. All right, this notification bell here, you just hit it so that whenever we post videos, you will always be notified for that. All right, also here's our WhatsApp number. You can see the WhatsApp number here. You can always reach out to us if you need any of our assistance. All right, basically what we do on this particular platform is we help you with different templates for your website project. All right, to help you with different website template for your website project. All you need to do is to reach out to us there. If you also need a reliable web hosting for your project, also do well to reach out to us and we'll gladly help you fix that. Okay, so subscribe if you're not done so, and also make sure you hit the notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted on this particular platform. So having said that, let's begin. So here's our cPanel. So I'll just go ahead and create and create a subdomain or a folder for this particular um, video. Okay, so I'll just come here and I'll come to File Manager. Right, good. Come to File Manager. Then I'll come to I'll come to public underscore HTML here. So I'll go ahead and create a folder and call it Tracora. Alright, call it Tracora. Then I'll go ahead and click on create a folder. So from here, right, you look at it, there's the folder here. But for you, you don't need to create a folder. Just purchase the domain name I was in, open your public underscore HTML and upload it straight. Alright, upload it straight without creating a subdomain. Alright, without creating a folder rather. So just upload it and work the same way I'm showing you now. So I'll come over to this part here, click on upload, then click on select file here. Right, then I will look for the file. Here's the file here. Then I'll go ahead and click on, I'll allow it to upload. You can see the file is uploading. While this one is uploading, let me go ahead and create my database. Come over to this part here, database. You can see the database wizard. So I'll click on it. Okay, so it's loading. Alright, good. So just call it Tracora BB. Okay, so I'll just do that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is, okay, so come here, call it Tracora. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and do all of this. Okay, so just copy this. Let's do this. Okay, from here you go ahead and click on create user. Right, click on create user. So this is the information I need now. So I will come over. I don't know. Okay, you can see the file has done uploading. So I'll just never. So let me just go back here and click on this to go back. All right, perfect. So I'll just extract this. Extract. Let me be sure of what I'm doing. I'll click on extract, then extract file. All right, extract file, then close this, then reload. All right, it comes in the folder. Open the folder, then click on select all, then click on move. All right, so I'll move it to my folder which I created at that time. So I'll move it there. So good. So I'll come over to this part here. Then I'll come to db.php. That's where I'll connect my database, this file here. Then I'll come here. I will just edit it. Then I'll click on edit. All right, so I'll change all of this. Control H. Okay, then I'll paste it here. All right, then save changes. Then also come here, then click on all privileges, then click on next step. All right, I think that is set. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come back here, come to PHP again, select PHP admin. Okay, select PHP admin. Okay. Okay, then I will look for the database. This is the database I created at that time. So I'll click on it. Then I'll click on import. Then I'll click on import here. And I'll also click on choose file. Alright, click on choose file. Here is it, choose file. Here's my database here. So just select it. But for you, if you come over to your folder, you will see SQL file. This is the SQL file. Alright, if you open it, you will see your file there. So you can just download it and upload here. Alright, so I'll click on import. So this is what I'm saying here. If you open it here, you will see the SQL file. So this is just download it to your system. Then you come over to this part, then an upload. Okay, you can see my file is done uploading. You can see the file is done uploading here. Okay, so the file is done uploading. So now let's check what we have done so far. All right, then also, okay, then also if you come here now, let me delete this. All right, so also if you come here, if you open this file, this installation guide, if you right click on it and select edit here, okay, select edit, you will see the installation guide here. All right, see the installation guide. Okay, you can see it now. See the installation guide here. All right, so that is for that. So I'll come back here, come back here. So okay, this one is done here. So now let's check what we have done so far. Let me check what we have done. All right, so let's check what we have done so far. So I'll come back here, copy the link. Like I told you, here's the installation guide. Okay, so you copy your site URL. For me, my site URL is this, so copy it here. Okay, then I'll come here. Then remember I put / Tracora. Okay, so I'll hit on enter. So can you see now that it is working perfectly? Can you see it now? All right, can you see that everything is working perfectly? Okay, so you can see. So you can now, if you also want to log into the admin, you can also come back here. Also come back here. This is it. So you put your link / admin / sign in.php. All right, so this is how you put this thing there. If you go ahead with that, then you now come here. You see, if you come to the, if you upload the SQL file, you see the admin, you see the information concerning the admin, whereby you can just insert it there inside your username and this thing. You can then log in to the admin. All right, so that's for the admin. Now coming back to this, if you want to edit anything here, right, this is the index, this is the this is the home, which is the index, this is services, about, and contact. All right, so if you want to also edit that, come back to your file manager. So you can see the about.php, you can see the contact.php, you can see the footer, you can see the header, you can see the index, and you can also see what the services.php and also the track.php. So you are going to be editing them one after the other, right? One after the other. So that is how this particular template is, and you can see that everything is working perfectly. Everything is working perfectly. So if you need access to this, just reach out to us via the number I showed you before, and we'll gladly assist you in terms of that. Okay, don't forget this is the number. So reach out to us. I will gladly assist you with that. And if you have any challenge, also do well to reach out to us. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you smash the notification bell. If you have any challenges, drop in the comment section and we'll gladly help you fix it. Thank you and see you in our next video.